Hey guys, welcome back to the Music School. My name is Abhijith Hegde, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the scale MIDI effect in Ableton. So let's get started. To start off, as you can already see, I've loaded a grand piano channel here. And now for the next step, I'm going to open my browser and I'm going to MIDI effects. And from here, I'm going to load this particular MIDI effect called as scale. Now, instead of loading the default patch, what I'm going to do is, if I'm going to write a song in the scale of major, I'm just going to open the drop down here and I'm going to load anything that says the C major preset here. The next thing, where you can see this particular bass knob here, I'm going to choose my respective key in it. So for example, let's say I want to write a track today in A major, for example. So I'm just going to turn this bass knob to A major. So now what the scale MIDI effect does is it basically locks on your MIDI keyboard or your piano roll in this respective key and in respective scale. So no matter what key you play on the keyboard, it'll always play the same scale, which is A major. For example, if I just play something on the keyboard right now. So right now what you heard is the A major scale. Likewise, if you want to write something in minor, all you have to do is just replace the C major preset with the C minor preset here and follow the same step, which is select the appropriate key in the bass knob here. So for example, let's say I want to write something in F or in G minor for that sake, and that's it. Now the keys are set, so irrespective of what notes you play on the keyboard, your track will be locked on to the G minor scale. So this is one of the easiest ways to lock your MIDI notes into a particular key and into a particular scale. So I hope you all found this video interesting. For more information regarding the courses that we have to offer, make sure you check out our website, which is www.themusicschool.in. And I'll see you guys until next time. Cheers.